In today's video, I'm going to teach you Change Facebook Marketplace Location Full Step-by-Step 2026 Guide. If you want to browse listings in a different area on Facebook Marketplace, the good news is that it's very easy to update your location from a desktop web browser. This is useful if you're moving, shopping in another city, or just want to see what's available beyond your current area. To begin, open your desktop browser and go to facebook.com. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will open the Facebook Marketplace homepage, where you can browse local listings based on your current search area. After Marketplace loads, direct your attention to the top right-hand side of the page. There, you should see your current location displayed. Click on that location to open the Change Location pop-up. This is the section where Facebook lets you control which area you want Marketplace to show results from. In the Change Location window, you have two ways to set your new area. The first option is to type in a new city or zip code. This is the fastest method if you already know the exact place you want to search in. As you type, Facebook may suggest matching locations, so choose the one that fits your target area. The second option is to use the interactive map. You can click and drag the map to move it to your preferred location. This is especially helpful if you want to search a nearby region, a specific neighborhood, or an area that's easier to choose visually than by typing. Once your location is set, take a moment to adjust the radius using the slider. The radius controls how far out Marketplace will search from the location you selected. A smaller radius gives you more local results, while a larger radius can show you more listings from surrounding areas. Choosing the right radius can help you narrow down results or expand your options depending on what you're looking for. When everything looks right, click Apply. Facebook Marketplace will then refresh your view and update the listings based on the new location and radius you selected. That's all it takes to change your Facebook Marketplace location on desktop. If the listings don't update immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or reload the browser once. This method only changes the area you're browsing in Marketplace, so it's a simple way to explore listings in different places without a complicated setup.